All right, the next one's tabletop prop, and it's pretty simple. You're just going to use a tube, sort of like these ones, to prop up a flat shape, sort of like a tabletop. So I'm going to make a tube just like I did for the tubing and framing process. I'm going to put paper or glue on my paper and roll this into a tube. This will essentially be like the leg of the table, I guess. One leg of the table that will prop up a shape. I'm gonna let that dry just a little bit. And then you can glue a shape on top of it. I like to put a little more glue on here because this isn't sticking well. Just like that. Set this down here and let it dry for a second. I like to also go like this on the top, make a few snips, maybe 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, sort of evenly spaced out, so that you can fold little flaps down over top, and it gives you more of a surface to glue your shape onto, so that it's not just an open space. It gives you like a flat top to kind of glue your shape onto. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here on my paper, put down my tube, put just a little more glue on the top, and press down my shape. This could be, of course, any shape, and there's your tabletop prop. And that's an easy way to sort of get a decent amount of volume, because this is about 1.5 inches off the page. Of course, the length of the tube is going to determine how high off the page it goes.